Hello, my name is Faye Stahl. I am the Assistant Professor of English, and this video is to give you a short tour of my EPIC Master Certified course. When you go into Blackboard and click on the class, there are announcements that are posted for each week. So that is one thing that is done in this course, that the instructor does communicate. I communicate with my students at least one time a week via weekly announcements. Another item that I would like to point out are the lessons features. There is an explanation of how each module is set up and how it can be navigated. And for example, if we go into Module 1, which is the summary and response paper, each module is set up with any pertinent information about the paper, the writing that is going to be done during that module, the student learning outcomes for the particular module are included. There are 3 modules, and then the 4th module is the final exam module. And then there are weekly folders that give the dates of the week and then when all assignments are due. At the end of each module, at the bottom, are instructional folders that are found within the module. So for example, in this module, there are Paper 1 documents, grammar lesson for Module 1, and writing introductions. So let's go into week 1, and as you will see, there is an introductory video by me for my students to see me and talk about the course. There's class procedures and to-do lists, and each week has the weekly to-do list with the attendance assignment within bold. Also out behind each item on the to-do list is the approximate amount of time that it should take students to complete the assignment. If there are any links, such as here, discussion forums, PowerPoints, and things of that nature, they are included within the weekly folders. Then here, because this is the first paper, Paper 1 documents, and it gives you, there is a menu of what items can be found in the Paper 1 documents and the grammar lesson on commas. Also, any assignments that students must turn in for that week, there will be links that are tied to the grade book within the module. So everything that the student needs for the week is within the week folder. That's including PowerPoints, lectures, videos, assignment links, Safe Assign submission links, etc. Going on to Module 1 again, and if we go into week 4, for example, here is the weekly to-do list, and then they are looking at the text, How to Mark a Book items, and notice that there is a web link here provided and a reading. So there are videos that correspond to the readings throughout the module and throughout the course. There will not be videos for every week, but when there is pertinent information that goes along with the author and the reading, those are also provided. Thank you. That was a very short tour of my class, English 111.